a golfer is trying to hit her shot into the hole from the tee area with this diagram below. So this is the tee area. So where she's going to be hitting the ball. Determine the length of the angle needed for the shot to get into the ball. Round your answer to the nearest whole number if necessary. So they want us to find the length. I'm going to redraw this actually because like the other problems it's hard to see. So this we have two priorities. $50 yards, 180 yards, theta angle, and length. This is the tee area. And this is where the hole's at. Okay? So, she's a big thinker. So let's see what we get to do. Or he, doesn't matter. Okay, so first, let's find the length. From here you could do the Pythagorean theorem to find the length, because we're given two sides. The length is going to be the hypotenuse, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You have 50 squared plus 180 squared equals c squared. 50 squared is 2500 plus 180 squared gets us 32,400 equals c squared. Add these up. Get 34,900 equals c squared. And the inverse of a square is a square root. And you get about 18 point, it says 18 or 186. I mean, sorry, 186.8 equals c. They want us to go to the whole number. So this would be an 8. That would round it up because it's greater than 4. So this one is about 187 yards. Now we want to know the degree. I'm just going to use what they gave me. So I drew this down, so I'm going to check what I have. I'm going to have to use trig for this. So I'm going to write it down looking at my reference sheet. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping over apples. So right here, some old hippie. So I'm going to put my finger or pen on theta, the angle that we're looking for. We have an opposite, and then we also have, this is our adjacent, and that's our hypotenuse. So you can use either one of them, but with 187 as well. But I'm going to use the one that doesn't use it, so I'm going to use tangent with the information they gave us at the beginning. So we have tangent of theta is equal to opposite 50 all over the adjacent 180. Here we don't know what theta is, so we need to get theta isolated. The inverse of tan is arctan, so we're going to multiply both sides by arctan. That cancels, this cancels. We get theta is equal to arctan of 50 over 180. And in your calculator, all you would do is 50 divided by 180 equals second tan. And we get theta is about 15.5. If we round to the nearest whole number, greater than 4, so theta is about 16 degrees. Okay? So it's about 16 degrees. Oh, degrees, redundant. If you're using the scientific calculator on the computer, you would just do the tan of -1 parentheses 50 divided by 180, and you would get the same answer.